Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to go back to the dormitory. So I want I wanna go to my friend's house, and after that we will go to dorm together using Uber or we call it. I use Gojek application, and we call it Gokar. Me and my friends have on the Gokar, so they are on our way to go our dormitory. Hi, I'm a bit nervous. Hey, bye. And I have arrived at near at Moira's dormitory. So,
Yeah, let's go.
we are going to her dormitory. Moira's dormitory. Ini kayak gempa nggak sih aku nanti? Earthquake. I want to apa ambil? I want to take my milk. So after from coklat. Yang ini kan yang beruang.
Nih.
Okay. So
Nah,
I want to. Okay.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
bye.
Okay.
Ya,
Thank you ya. Yeah. So I want to go to my dormitory right now. My dormitory not too long at her dormitory, so it's a bit near. Right. Maybe if walk, it's take 5 minutes to my dormitory. We should be careful if we walk at the street or roads. So many cars and motorcycle